Clinical Skin's vitamin C serum. Is it worth it? I'm gonna break down what's in it and you can decide for yourself. I am an esthetician and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this product. It did not break me out, and most products on the market will break me out, especially vitamin C serum. And I also noticed that my complexion got brighter after using it for a month. So they say 12 weeks. I noticed a difference after a month. I always take before and after photos, so I really did like that. All right, what's in this product that sets it apart from some of the other options that you're going to see on the market is that not only does it contain your 20% ascorbic acid, which Dr. Serena Wiles, leading dermatologist from Mayo, did a whole podcast saying that that is one of the top 3 must-haves for anti-aging, is a 20% L-ascorbic acid. Well, since she launched that, Skin Better Science came out with Alto Advanced, which is Tetrahexyldecyl Ascorbate, which is another form of vitamin C, much more stable, more gentle. And if you have rosacea and really sensitive skin, stick to that one. However, I have sensitive skin. I don't deal with rosacea, and I have found that this is incredible. And guess what? It contains both vitamin C compounds. So you've got your 20% L-ascorbic acid, then you have your tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, and every single product in Clinical Skin's line contains their ACE technology. ACE stands for antioxidant, which is actually specifically superoxide dismutase, being the most powerful antioxidant found in your cells. Then it also contains vitamin C and E, and then the E stands for essential ceramides to keep the skin barrier really healthy. Now it does have a tint to it, and I found out, I was grilling the rep because I wanted to know, is this oxidized? Like, is this bad product? Is it gonna be less effective because it's already this yellowy color? No, it's actually glutathione is what gives it that color, and the glutathione in the product brightens up your complexion. So I was pretty impressed myself, and I'm pretty excited about this. So it's 1 ounce, brand new product, just hit the market this year. Next time you're reaching for your vitamin C option, consider picking this one up, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for checking this out.